Huwa wieħed minn mexxejja dinji Ewropew ambizzjuż b'lan li jkunu salvagwardjati l-oċeani fid-dinja. Dawn kienu fost ir-reazzjonijiet pożittivi li saru minn persuni prominenti, fosthom l-eks segretarju tal-Istati Uniti John Kerry brabta mal-premju prestiġġjuż German Ocean Award illi ngħata lill-Kummissarju Ewropew għall-Ambjent, l-Affarijiet Marittimi u s-Sajd Karmenu Vella.
As someone who has worked on the issue of the oceans for years and who started the Our Ocean conferences, I'm really delighted that my friend, Commissioner Vella, has been awarded by Gailmar and by the Deutsche Bank this special award about the oceans. He's been particularly concerned about rebuilding the European fish stocks, about managing the European fisheries effectively. He has been a leader in helping us globally to initiate the response we need to understand that you can't deal with climate change without preserving the ocean and protecting it.
L-għanewlini wara dan l-unur huwa sabiex ikunu rikonoxxuti dawk l-individwi li jaħdmu qatih sabiex jiġu mħarsa u protetti l-ibħra u l-oċeani minn madwar id-dinja. L-Assistent Direttur Ġenerali tal-UNESCO, Vladimir Jabninin, fisser lill-Kummissarju Vella bħala Eroj tal-Oċean.
Under the leadership of Commissioner Vella, the environmental and marine part of European Commission, its MARE, has also acquired not only statutory leadership position, and not only in Europe, which is, of course, their day-to-day job, but also around the world. For me, Mr. Vella is one of the world leaders in our common fight for saving the ocean. The prestigious German Ocean Award found yet another hero of the ocean.
Il-Prinċep ta' Monaco, Prinċep Albert it-Tieni, semma kif il-progress li wettaq Karmenu Vella ġab miegħu diversi proġetti ta' ispirazzjoni u fl-istess waqt sarfu f'riżultati ambizzjużi.
European who inspires projects with ambitious goals and above all the determination to achieve them. The progress you have brought about or prompted is significant. This progress in so many areas has enabled Europe to impose its values to one of the greatest challenges of this century, one that justifies the prize being awarded to you today, the preservation of our seas.